my channel, Sugar Bites Beauty. My name is Myra. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and we're going to be doing our Boxycharm versus our Ipsy Plus. So I'm super excited to see what we got this month. These boxes, the Ipsy, we'll start with Ipsy. Ipsy is $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products and you're guaranteed $140 value and up. And so far, you guys, I have been so impressed. They have done so good on their boxes and I'm excited to see what we got for the month of February. Okay, so the inside says Glam Bag Plus up here, but we're gonna do Glam Plus because we get no bags anymore with these. But it says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. So here's a little glimpse inside our bag. I love that they include the little magazine that has the description of the items as well as the retail value. So this one says, hey Ipster, get ready to fall deeply in love with your February Glam Bag Plus. So let's take a look. So the first thing in here, it's the Beauty Filter Cream Glow from Sun and Park. So that's what that looks like. So let me see where I can put my little box here. I'm gonna take this out and it has a little spatula. And oh, okay, that's what the cream looks like. So I've never tried anything from this brand. I had actually never heard of this brand until now. If you guys have, let me know down below. But let's take a look. Oh, okay. So the Beauty Filter Cream Glow retails for $32. And it says, before applying makeup or as the last step in your skincare routine, gently pat the cream evenly all over your face until it absorbs into your skin. Ta-da! No Snapchat filter required. So, okay, that's pretty cool. We'll definitely give that a try. Okay, well, let me go with what's next in the little card. I got the It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flat Top Buffing Foundation Brush. And this one retails for $48. And I do like the It Cosmetic brushes because they're, I don't know if they're all, but most of them are infused with like some type of skincare in them. Let me see. No, this one just says that you can lightly buff your foundation in circular motions. Okay, so that's what that looks like. And it's super, super soft. I actually like to use a beauty blender to blend my foundation, but I will definitely be giving this one a try. Okay, next thing. It's a lipstick, and it is from Finding Ferdinand. And it's in the shade Knob Hill, and this retails for $30. Wow. And it's actually pretty cool because you push the little button in the bottom and it pops out. And it's a really gorgeous red. That's what that looks like. And I know it doesn't show. Oh, there we go. But you can kind of see it there. It's really pretty. This is going to probably go in our giveaway because I have a lot of red lipsticks. So somebody's going to be getting that to give them a try. Okay. We have 2 more things in here. This one is from Tarte. It's their Dream Big Amazonian Clay Palette. And this one retails for $30. And let's open it up. So that's what the packaging looks like. Maybe we'll open it. Yeah. It has a really nice mirror on the side. And then this is what the colors look like. Let's see. There we go. So it's really, really pretty. You have some gold, some like metallic pinks and purples. You have a super glittery black. So, oh, I love the way their eyeshadows smell. It's like hot chocolate vanilla. It smells really good. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited for that. And then the last thing in here is from Mael. Maybe I'm pronouncing that incorrectly, but that's what the packaging looks like. And this is the Sun Kissed Bronzer. So it's really pretty packaging. Again, big huge mirror in here. Oh my gosh, and look at those shades. That is gorgeous. You have some bronzy shades, some pinky shades, some nice highlighting shades. So that is really, really pretty. And let's take a look. That retails for $32. So Ipsy did really, really good again, you guys. Okay, so again, we got the little bronzer, the Tarte palette, which I didn't swatch it because I'm not sure yet if I'm going to keep it or if it'll go into our little giveaway pile. And we got the red lipstick, the It Cosmetic brush, and the beauty cream. So they did really good. Okay, so now we're going to do our Boxycharm. They are $21 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size products. Sometimes you get deluxe size samples in here. So let's see what we got for this month. So we open it up, and that's what it looks like. And here's our little card, and it's all banded up. Okay, so this month's theme is Afterglow. And then in the back, you have the description of the items as well as the retail value. So we'll start at the top. And this month we got the Too Faced A Better Than Sex Mascara, which retails for $24. I have tried this mascara. It is nice. It does, however, flake a little bit on me, but I know someone that loves it, and this is going to be going to her. But I'm still excited that they actually have a Too Faced item in here. So maybe we'll be getting more in the future. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Okay, so next thing is from Pretty Vulgar, and it's the Bronzed Bee Bronzer. And this retails for $32. So that's the packaging. Their packaging is super cute, but it's really plasticky. So even though it looks cute, it just doesn't feel very luxe for the price. But that's just my opinion. That's what that looks like. There we go. It's really cute. This will probably go into our giveaway. This is a little bit too dark for me, so somebody else will get use of it. Don't worry. No makeup goes to waste in this house, that's for sure. Okay, next thing in here, it's from Touch and Soul, and it's their No Problem Primer. This one right here. This one retails for $18. I actually already own this. This is a really pretty or really nice primer. It feels really silicone-y, but foundation applies beautifully on top of it. So it's exciting that they have that in here too. Okay, 2 more things. Next one is from Sol de Janeiro. And this one is the Coco Cabana Cream. And this retails for $20. I already own this too. And I don't know. A lot of people says it smells like popcorn. Some people actually think it smells like cocoa, like coconut. I'm in between. I mean, it's lotion, so once you apply it to your body and it melts in, and your body chemistry and everything, that scent is going to be different on everybody. So You guys let me know. Have you tried this? Do you like that? What do you think it smells like? Let me know down in the comments. And then the last thing in our box, it's from Nude Sticks, and it is their Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. And I got the shade Copper Foil, and it's this one right here. This one retails for $24. I do like nude sticks, and I do like the eye crayons like this because they're super easy to apply. I can use them as my shadow and liner at the same time with just the one. So I love that. That's what the shade looks like. It's a really pretty copper shade. We're going to do a little swatch, and it is gorgeous. Look at that. Really, really pretty. Let's see. There we go. So it's a really pretty shade. I will definitely be getting a lot of use of that. Okay, so this one came with our Nude Sticks eyeshadow stick, our primer, the bronzer, our body cream, and mascara. So overall, it's a pretty good box, but if I have to choose, I'm definitely going with my Ipsy. You guys, they did so good. Their retail total, I think, was like over $170 when I added it up. So for the price, we got really good items over here. So for the month of February, my little Ipsy won. But let me know, you guys, are you subscribed to both of these boxes? Are you guys still on the wait list for the Ipsy Glam Plus? What was your favorite item? Let me know what you guys think of that cream down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please hit the little subscribe button. I'm trying to reach the 1,000 subscribers this year. I'm so close to 500, and I'm super excited about that. So please help me out and hit the little subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!